So guys, if you're in a pinch of time and you want to build a good ramp without using screws or a nail gun or any of that, step one is to get a big plank like this. I'd recommend thicker than mine because mine's not very thick, which means that it needs a lot more supports. So I try to go for a thicker plank than this. But if you have a thin plank like this, then I'd want to use like bricks to hold it up. I'm using 4 bricks, but you may need to use less depending on the size of your bricks and the thickness of your bricks. But I'm using 4 bricks. So grab however many bricks you need and stack them up. I prefer 4 bricks of these type because it makes the jump high and more fun. I tried 3, it just didn't feel fun enough, so I use 4 bricks now. And then once you get those bricks stacked, however many you're going to use, the second step is, hold on, I'll wait a minute. So I just got to put on another brick. Then the second step is to grab just like a 2x6 or a little bit of a thicker plank that's almost the length of your brick, or at least decently long, and put a smaller brick over it, like that size. I'm using that size. It may be harder for you, depending on the brick height. And then put that wood on the brick, put your piece of wood on the brick, and then drag another brick over here to kind of support it and add more supports from the ramp. And then, voila, put the ramp on there. You may need to move them a little bit. I had to move it a little bit. And then put the ramp on there, and then boom, you got a good jump. And it may not be the most stable, it makes a lot of noise, but you got a good jump now. Just test how rigid it is. Make sure the wood's not flexing too much if you have a thin board. And then now you can begin jumping. Oops, that wasn't very good. Guess it slipped down more bricks than I thought. I was expecting that.